am starting my day with my coffee. I've got my morning froggy voice, and I have been working on my menu plan for about a week, probably from Friday to next Sunday. It also includes Easter, and so I'm going grocery shopping about 11 o'clock today, so I'm up early. I got up earlier, but right now it is 7:25 in the morning, and I am just getting my day started. First cup of coffee here, still in my pajamas. Good morning, guys. Happy VEDA day number 2. I hope you guys are doing well. Easter is fast approaching, and I'm so looking forward to that. Put a little bit of a darker lip on today. I'm not sure if I really like it, but it'll all be gone shortly anyways, by the time I put a mask and wear a mask all day. But anyhow, I did a little bit of a darker lip for something different, and my husband's downstairs awaiting me to make coffee this morning. I've already been up, and I have worked on my grocery list, my meal plan, and I will share that with you guys today. So we are going to be headed out to Aldi's, and I believe I'm going to stop into Kroger as well today. Going to be cooking that Easter family dinner this year, and I'm very much so looking forward to it, and I can't wait to allow you to be part of it with me in doing VEDA this year. So let's get the day started, shall we? So I just unloaded all the groceries and brought them in, and I have to put them away. Okay, I think I will share with you what I bought. Now, this is not everything. I got a couple more bags over there, but I need to get some of this stuff in the fridge. Oh my goodness. Probably was not a very wise idea to go shopping today because it was majorly chaotic. Easter is in, let's see, today is the 2nd, so 3rd, the 4th, 2 days away. So a lot of people are buying hams and potatoes and all this stuff. But I got there early enough at Aldi's. That wasn't bad, but when I got to Kroger, it was manic. But I got in, got out, and I'm good. So I'm going to share with you guys what I bought. So I got this White Cloud thing of toilet paper from Aldi, and then a bag of russet potatoes. I've been buying the 5-pound instead of the 10 because it's just me and Ron, and I don't go through 10 pounds of potatoes anymore, and I've had to throw some out, and it's kind of a waste of money. So I've got some sugar, 2 things of eggs, some hot dog buns, some regular bread. We got some sour cream. I got some spinach. I'm going to start drinking my green drinks again. I got some onions. I got my hash browns. I got brown sugar, the almond milk, the vanilla flavored, 3 peppers. This pork sausage is really, really cheap, but it is delicious. It's only $1 something a roll, and it's a pork sausage. I bought the last one that they had today. It's a hot. That's the one that I prefer, and so that's what I bought. And then I got 2 things of orange Jell-O. I'm going to make orange salad, some cottage cheese. I always come home with a mild cheddar, and 1 Colby Jack. Also got a thing of active dry yeast, which I already have a few in the freezer, but I just went ahead and grabbed that just in case. I got a thing of cheese slices. Ronnie likes that. Black olives. Some chunky guacamole. Some butter, and then I got a block of Colby Jack right here. Let's see what else. I got 2 things of chicken noodle soup. I just didn't have any on hand, and sometimes I just want some soup. A couple things of Rotel. I use that in my Mexican cornbread. 2 things of black beans, 50 cents a can. Really good deal. Tastes really good. A thing of sauerkraut. I like the jar, not the bag. Cantaloupe was a little expensive, but I wanted one really bad, so I got some cantaloupe. Cream cheese, 2 things of coffee creamers, the vanilla caramel, my favorite right now. Sometimes I get on a kick and then I get off, so I got 2 things. I got some bananas that are majorly green, 2 cans of crushed pineapple for some things I'll be making. One thing of cream of chicken soup. I think I have another one in the pantry, so I just bought one. 2 things of their scalloped potatoes, the cheesy scalloped potatoes. They are really good. I don't really like them baked, but I do like the stovetop directions, and I do it in a skillet, and I just add a little bit of extra of my own cheese to it, and it's real good. Got some flour, some Dawn liquid soap for washing dishes, some whipped cream. I also got, sorry guys, I'm losing everything here. Some black tea. My mom and dad drink black tea and I love it. So I decided to buy this. It's way cheaper than the tea that I was originally buying. So I saved a little bit of money buying that. Got some croutons, Italian seasoned croutons. A roll of jumbo biscuits. This is my favorite spaghetti sauce from Aldi's. It's the purple jar, and it is the tomato and basil and garlic. I had a can of coffee I took back to the store. This one here is the 100% Colombian. This came from Kroger. I had the dark silk, I think it is. I accidentally picked it up, so I exchanged it for the 100% Colombian. So I got the right coffee for the week. A thing of hash browns. These are so good. If you guys like the McDonald's hash browns, this is the equivalent of it, except for a whole lot less money, and you can make it yourself. And you can have more than one with your meal, right? And I got 2 things of hot dogs. And I'm going to be making some chili dogs. A thing of Flex trash bags. Another thing of sour cream. 2 things of the chicken rice. I like these very easy sides. And one, my husband loves the jambalaya, so I got 1 jambalaya to have. Thought this looked good. It's an apple cinnamon bread. I might give that a go. Another jar of spaghetti sauce. Another can of jumbo biscuits right here. Some baking mix. A thing of saltine crackers. A half a gallon of milk, because we do not go through the milk anymore since it's just him and I. And in here, I have not unpacked it yet, but I have a family pack of ground beef and a family pack of tenderloins, the chicken tenderloins, boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. And I'm going to put this away, and I will show you the rest that I bought. Okay, now the rest of my groceries, I got 2 things of this bacon. I got a thing of celery. I did get a beer, but it's because I'm making rolls with it. Dr. K, which is the equivalent of Dr. Pepper, and a thing of ginger ale because I'll be making my punch. And I got a thing of frozen dinner rolls, which I need to get in the freezer right now. And that is it. That is all I bought. I'm going to get the remainder of the food put away, and my husband's at his parents', so I got to go retrieve him because I miss him. It is time to eat. Mother-in-law was so sweet, sent me home with 2 ginormous split chicken breasts, and I took all the meat off, and I added some mayo, some apple cider vinegar, some poppy seeds, some honey, salt and pepper, a little bit of celery, mixed it all up, and now it's going to go on that bread, and that is what I'm going to eat. I wish I had some grapes, because then I would really be in hog heaven, but I'm going to eat all this, and Ronnie can watch. Ronnie, you going to watch? Hey guys, I'm checking in. I am tired. This woman is so tired. So I went shopping all day today. I went to Aldi and I went to Kroger, and Kroger was a madhouse today. And so while I'm there, I get this big giant, you know, those like gallon-sized jars of green beans, because I have a way that I put them in my crock pot, and it serves a lot of people, and I love the leftovers. I could eat green beans for just green beans for a meal. I love them that much. So I bought this $4.19 can of green beans and did not make it home with it. I realized it later after I had shared with you guys what I bought today, and I was like, what happened to it? Well, anyways, it must still be at the store. So tomorrow I am going to Walmart to take care of some things, and I need to get some millet for the birds because they're all out and they love their millet. And then I have to pay a bill. And what else do I have to do? I have other things I have to do too, but I can't remember what it is. But anyhow, and then crazy me. The store is so manic today that, you know, I have the list in front of me, and when I was at Aldi's, they didn't have anything I wanted that looked like a really good dinner roll. So I was like, okay, well, dinner rolls, this is on my head when I'm walking into Kroger, dinner rolls. So I'm going to the frozen section, and I'm really thinking like those Mrs. Smith's or whatever little dinner rolls. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they're like frozen. I'm thinking that. I don't know why I'm thinking that, because I bought everything at Aldi's to make beer rolls. And I bought I had a beer in my cart from Kroger to make the beer rolls. And I only just buy one can because that's all it takes. And I mix it with my baking mix. And it makes the perfect rolls ever. And you put it in your muffin pan and it bakes up and it's delicious. And so I'm thinking to myself, I don't know why, but I grabbed the frozen dinner rolls anyways, the ones that's made like out of the fresh bread dough that you put on your pan and you allow to rise and then you bake. So I got a selection of what dinner rolls I want. And I'm just laughing at myself like I come home with the motherload of dinner roll ideas today. But anyhow, I lucked out on lunch because my mother-in-law she made some split chicken breast. And Ronnie's not a big fan of chicken like that. And so I just tore all the meat off and I made my sauce, and he tasted it. And of course he wanted some right away, right? And so all that chicken is ate. It was gone. And I finished it off because it tasted so good. Anyways, my man's coming through the living room here, and I just wanted to sign out on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the grocery haul. And thank you so much for watching VEDA Day 2. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be talking to you all again soon. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You know, make sure you click on subscribe, because I want you guys to be part of Kiddos Corral, and a lot of great things are in store for the month. I'm looking forward to doing videos every single day. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to do the best that I can. I told Ronnie, even if I'm showing you guys how ugly my feet are in a video, you all will get a video every day this month for the month of April for VEDA. So, we're going to do this thing. I'm going to sign out. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Have a great, I'm going to have a great evening. You guys have a great day or evening or afternoon or night, whenever you guys watch this. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.